from darkness into light. So this is not darkness, this is warm light. So I'll take you into the brightness of the light also, but I'm just letting you savor the soft lights that we have right now. Diwali, and there's no time to make any negative thoughts or regret that the pandemic is going on. It's the time to make the best of what is there, and it is the time of childhood memories, a mouthful of sweets, a house full of lights, and a heart full of love, isn't it? So let's spread the cheer, spread the positivity, and make the darkness of Corona just disappear, and let the light of Diwali brighten up the world around us and make it a happy place. Today I'm showing you do it yourself of gifting ideas, make it home, sweets and snacks to give to your friends and family instead of just going to the sweet shop and buying something. And buy, I would say, local diyas. Let the small sellers also benefit from the festival. They are all suffering. So what I did was, let me put Vinayaka to this side and give the pride of place to what I made. So I made these Chidwa snacks, and I just put them in glass jars, not in plastic mind you, with a small bow. Then I have this wonderful Shahi Paneer pudding dessert, which I put again in a glass jar, and I have this tea candle on top. So this is how I'm going to gift my friends and family. So happy Diwali to all of you. Spread the cheer and spread the light. Just remove the darkness. A big batch of chilli mixture of puffed rice, fried peanuts, crispy curry leaves, adding this roasted dal. It's really nice in that. I have this nice Pure Ways organic turmeric, which is really pure and organic, and I'm using that. This is real hot, the mixture, so it will mix easily. Some red chilli powder. I'm using this puree turmeric even for the golden milk. It's really good. It's available on Amazon. Huge batch of mixture for Diwali gifts. I'm going to fill them in mason jars and distribute. I have these lovely mason jars. I'm going to pack these in this. Best way is to use your hands. There's no other way. One roasted cashew on top, and I'm just going to seal it off so that it doesn't get soggy. I'm going to do the same with the rest of the bottles. I have a dozen here. It's faster doing with the fingers than with fancy ladles. The cashew on top, and there goes the lid. So let me fill the rest of the bottles, then I'll show you how I'm going to seal them. I'm giving my finishing touch to my snack jars. Get this twine, jute string, whatever you call it, in the market. It's very cheap. Just cut 1/2 meter string. The bottle is closed tight. Just string it like this and tie a bow here. It's done. It's so easy. You just have to cut the length of the bow, how much you want it. So does it look good? It's called Shahi Paneer pudding, not just like that. I'm adding slivered almonds, lots of them, into it, and then I'll pour it into the jars. Giving it a quick mix. I'm going to top it with sprinkles, colorful sprinkles, and chocolate chips. And one piece of chunky paneer into each jar. So here it goes. It's a messy affair. It's okay. Can't help it. So I'm going to fill each jar like this, and I poured the pudding in all the jars, and now for the garnishing, it's going to look colorful. The sprinkles, I'm like a kid. I love my sprinkles, but I love my chocolate chips more. Anything in chocolate goes down very easily. I don't like mithai much. In mithai, I like only gulab jamun or jalebi, but puddings are a weakness, especially these fancy homemade ones. So I've just about finished garnishing my bottles, and they are ready to go into the fridge. So how does it look? Beautiful. My pudding is ready to be chilled.